Oh no, that's nighttime. Right? They'll tell you how close it is to nighttime. Looks like a moon.
Oh, it is. You're so smart.
I
What is
was
this R
guessing.
button?
Okay, step 2. Campfire. Let's go ahead and set one up right
This is
here.
R button, Alex.
Huh?
This is R button.
There's an R button? I don't see
Yeah.
it. Rotate?
Click R. Click R on it. It does something to it. It changes the color for. I think it's. We can have different bases across the whole place, and so you can change the color of it.
I'll set it to green.
You. Okay, we need a
Or-
campfire. Let's not light
I
it up.
have it right
though.
here though.
You made a baby little one?
I was following the book on what steps we needed. Step 3.
We can make a one out of
Basic.
logs. Come on, let's make one out of logs. We have all the time. Oh wait, it's a survival thing?
That's
Oh
a
yeah.
bonfire.
Yeah, okay. And
Fire pit makes more sense though.
we're looking berry, one is edible, one is poisonous. Oh, I ate those. I ate the poisonous ones. Okay. Who are you killing? Oh my gosh. Why do you do this all the time? God. I don't want to see you murdering people, Alex. Put it somewhere I can't see.
Look!
God.
Look what I have.
You're a horrible person. You're a horrible person.
Okay, now let's
Hey.
see.
Hey.
Huh?
Hey.
Hey.
I want to smack birds with this hand.
This is just a hunting shelter. I want to live in a small cabin so I'm protected at least. Please.
Walls.
Somewhat
You
protected.
make walls. You want me to make a wall of rocks or wood?
Let's go wood for now, because we don't have the things.
Rocks
to-
are... Actually, never mind.
Can we even go inside here, or is it just here to look cool?
You probably go inside.
Oh, the plane's right here. The tail of the plane.
Cool.
Timber! Thunder! It's raining. Great, it's raining.
You like this?
Are we building the wall first?
You can build your logs first. I'm building my wall.
Wow. So safe, right?
Super. Oh no.
Did I just save the game? Contact! Near the airplane, up there. Three of them.
Where? Oh, I see them. I would.
They're coming.
They don't like fire, the game says. So. Fire! What? You gonna fight me? Bitch. 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 Bitch.
Okay,
Bitch.
this one.
What?
You and your bloodlust.
I want wood! Move. 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 Thank you for moving. I will now gladly pick up my wood.
I'm gonna start cooking the meat.
Yeah, meat.
only thing we can eat. I'm sorry.
What? Oh. Okay. Yeah? Okay. Am I going now? Like, we're not going here? Okay.
There's a window, just so you know.
I'm waiting for the rain. I'm bracing for the thunder.